How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. This is a very quick video because I have another video coming on some of the top cryptos to buy, but we have a new big buyer of Bitcoin. And I say new, he's been around for a while. So we know LFG has been continuously buying Bitcoin. The Luna Foundation, it's not showing up here. Soon it will show up because it will be such a big deal. So Luna has been buying Bitcoin about 125 million every few days, and we haven't seen too many other big buyers. Now, crypto's still done really well. I mean, you look at Bitcoin, it's around 48,000. A lot of other cryptos are up pretty significantly, but like I said, we have a new big buyer that I want to talk to you about here in a second. But if you guys haven't already tried BlockFi, there's a link underneath the video. There you can get up to $250 in Bitcoin when you sign up and deposit. Plus, they have this credit card that gives you 3.5% Bitcoin back, which if Bitcoin's going to $1 million, that means that you are getting 60-70% back on your spending for the first couple months, and then 1.5% back after that. So check out the link underneath the video for both of those. I have two links down there. Now, what is this new big buyer? Well, LFG hasn't bought today, but they bought yesterday. But we just got news. Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy have closed a $205 million Bitcoin collateralized loan with Silvergate to acquire more Bitcoin. Now, this is why I say it's a new buyer, but it's kind of an old buyer because they have been buying for over a year now, but they have been kind of quiet as of recently. We hadn't really heard about them buying anything since I think the end of last year. And I had been wondering, I even said in a few videos, when are they going to buy their next tranche of Bitcoin? And now that's what we have. That's why I say it's new and old, because they haven't really been in the picture over the last couple months with our run up, but they've been buying a lot last year, and they're a big reason why we've seen such a push in cryptocurrency over the last few years, honestly. They are doing this on loans. They have such conviction that they are borrowing from their Bitcoin to buy more Bitcoin. So they're becoming more leveraged on Bitcoin because they have such high conviction. Now, the other thing is, I think they're doing this possibly because they're a little bit worried. They see Do Kwon and LFG buying billions of dollars of Bitcoin over the coming months. They see that they want to hold more Bitcoin. So game theory is on. There's only a set amount of Bitcoin, and do they want to buy it when Bitcoin's at 70,000, or do they want to buy it now? So there's kind of this race. They know that they want to buy more Bitcoin, but they've been kind of waiting around. They haven't bought at the lows that we've had over the last couple weeks, but now they see that they've only got a set amount of time before there's more and more buying pressure. And there's got to be people behind the scenes when they see a couple $100 million from this company and $100 million from this company and back and forth and back and forth. There's a set amount of time before you're going to get pushed up to higher and higher prices. So anyone that's trying to commit big buys that just hasn't announced it yet, whether it's a public company or a private company or an individual, they probably see this and they're probably getting a little bit nervous, looking to buy significant amounts themselves. Now, this is fantastic. Now, the reason I say that is because we're going to get more and more buying pressure. I mean, think about what happened yesterday. We went up a couple thousand just because of a $125 million buy. Now we're looking at another 205 million on top of the other LFG buys that we're going to get. The one thing to pay attention to is if Bitcoin ever falls down to that point where Michael either has to raise more money, issue more shares, or maybe sell some of his Bitcoin, that might get a little sticky, but I don't think that is much of a problem. I think that they're probably being good shepherds. I don't remember, or I haven't looked up recently, what would have to happen for them to get someone knocking on their door to get some more capital. But still, Michael Saylor is buying $205 million worth of Bitcoin, and LFG is going to continue to buy. We have nation states that are accepting, like Russia is going to accept Bitcoin for some of their payments. We have other countries that supposedly are looking into Bitcoin as legal tender. We have banks that are going to offer it to their clients. Everything is looking so good for crypto. And that's why I wanted to bring this to your attention real quick. And, you know, this isn't the longest video, but in case you want to send it to someone else, definitely do that, share it, send it around, hit the like button, hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. This just happened. I want to bring it your way. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video here in a little bit. Be on the lookout for some of the top cryptos to buy. See you soon.